I'm Josh Green with Eastern Title and Settlement, and today we are here to talk about our drive-through settlement process. You know, I see all these emails going out with our competition going, we can do this, we can do this, and we can do this. Well, you know what? We are actually doing it. We closed our first e-closing yesterday, and we did our first drive-through settlement today, which you'll see in this video. You pull up to our office. We have a settlement agent already ready with gloves that have been sanitized, a N95 mask, and glasses. When you pull up out of your car, you'll be greeted with our settlement agent. He will stay 6 feet away from you. That's why our table, we sit you at the other end. We have 2 sets of documents, one for our settlement agent and one for the borrower. We found that coming to our office, people don't want to come inside because they're scared. Our building, actually, we just moved, and one of the best things about our new building is that it's under renovation and we are the first people in it. So the only other people here are working on other floors, doing construction sometimes. So our building is pretty much completely empty. So we don't have a lot of people coming in and out of our 8th-floor building. It's really just our clients and us, and our offices are cleaned daily for cleanliness. Here at Eastern Title, not only are our staff's health and safety important, but you, our clients, and our customers' safety is just as important. And we will be practicing the best practices laid out by the CDC and consistently updating it to protect you during our settlement process. And for our partners, we are open and we will be conducting settlements for as long as we possibly can, unless something happens where we have to shut down. So get your deals in now. If you're thinking about using a title company, we are the title company you want to use, and stay tuned for more information, especially you, Walter Sue,